In a major political development in Odisha, BJP's Jay Dholakia has emerged victorious in the Nuapada Assembly by-poll, defeating his nearest rival by over 83,000 votes. The decisive win has triggered strong reactions from state leaders. Revenue Minister Suresh Pujari criticized the opposition, particularly the BJD and Congress, for engaging in negative politics instead of presenting a constructive agenda. He said the Nuapada results reflects the beginning of a decline for the Biju Janata Dal in the state. According to the minister, while the BJP showcased its progress over the last 1.5 years, the opposition failed to present any substantial achievements. Minister Pujari highlighted that the seat, previously held by BJD just a year and a half ago, has now shifted decisively to BJP, signaling a political shift in the region. He also noted the rivalry between BJD and Congress, with the latter now emerging as a contender against the ruling party. The official results show Jay Dholakia securing 1,23,869 votes, while Congress candidate Ghosiram Majhi finished second with 40,121 votes. BJD's Snehangini Churia came third with 38,408 votes. So far, neither BJD nor Congress has commented on the outcome.
During the entire campaigning in the by-election in Nuapada, serious allegations were made by the opposition, particularly BJD and Congress, asking us to mention about the developmental work undertaken by the government during last 1.5 years. We came to the people with our progress report. On the other hand, we also challenged the Biju Janata Dal and the Congress party, who ruled the state for long 30-40 years, also to come out with their progress report, which they did not do. And perhaps there was a section in Biju Janata Dal who were again and again saying that the people are repenting by voting BJP to power in 2024 general election. I think they have got their answer. The seat which was owned by them just 1.5 years back, they are going to lose their security deposit. The Congress party, which was placed second, and we were placed third during 2024 general election 1.5 years back. The second position party, Congress party, is fighting hard with Biju Janata Dal to come to the second position. And both the political parties are almost on the verge of losing their security deposit. I think this is a befitting reply